Oh, you thought I wasn't coming today? You thought I wasn't coming out today? The devil's a lie. Okay, look. You ready? So, Dollar Tree got some new items. Okay, now. Peace, family. Peace. Ciao. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your life, your day is going to get better once we say hey, okay? Honey, you better sign me. You know I'm a rapper, okay? Listen, today we are on our way to the Dollar Tree. I know, okay, we speaking things into existence. That's what we do over here, okay? All right, I know Dollar Tree got some amazing things that's going to have me move my feet to the beat, okay? Hello, I know Dollar Tree got some steal deals like Holyfield, all right? Now, we going to go inside, we going to see if Dollar Tree, got the things that's going to make us say 1, 2, 3, all right? Let's go inside. Okay, so first up, what caught my eye was this right here. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these kitchen towels, and I think we've seen this one already, but they also have this one. It says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, $1.25. But honey, this is what really caught my eyes. These oven mittens over here, all right, and these are all $1.25. They also have the 2-pot holders that goes along with the oven mittens. So honey, if you feeling fancy pantsy mancy, go on, get you one, okay? Feeling groovy and movie, go and get you one. Okay, so new item. Dun, 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 dun. Listen, Dollar Tree has these stocking holders right here. Really, really cute. They have the little clip right here. They come in different designs. They have the Santa. This is styling and profiling, okay? These are $1.25, still deal like Holyfield. And then they also have these bells. I had seen something like this before when I was in the Dollar Tree, but they also have the one with the little wreath right here, the little berries, and this is a decor, $1.25. Honey, this is so good. Now, you guys probably most likely have seen these 30-inch LED candy canes already, but at this Dollar Tree location, they also have these, and this one is like more tight. You see how it is, the design compared to this one, all right? Wait, hold on, Cheryl. Compared to this one, okay, different. I absolutely like this one better. Okay, so look more neater. And then they also have the green one, the green, red, and white one. Now we know we team green over here, and gold, green and gold. Okay, child. $1.25, still deal for real. Now, Dollar Tree also have these poinsettias right here. This is so cute, these clips. And these are $1.25. Absolutely amazing. And they come in different colors. So they have this rose gold looking one. They also have the red one, the gold one, and also the white one. Okay, so these stockings are new. Dollar Tree has these gnome stockings. Really, really cute. Chill, look at this. All right, so they come in red. They also have gray. Child, I absolutely love this pattern over here. This is so cute. It looks very fancy. Okay, look fancy, pantsy, mancy. So those are the two colors pretty much they rocking with. Now, I definitely seen the cups to this, okay, because I do have the cups. I have brought 2 other cups that's the same exact design. Dollar Tree has now the little saucers, all right? But not only that, honey, you can set, honey, let me tell you something. Your kin folks, okay, when they come to the house today, to your house, for the holiday, they gonna think they up in a celebrity house, okay? You are a celebrity, okay? All right? Well, you are a star. You are a star, okay? Scratch celebrity, you're a star. Now, listen. Dollar Tree has these plates, okay, right here, winter wishes. They also have the kitchen towers, and then they had the the cups. I don't see the cups any longer, right? But child, fancy pantsy. That's why some of the stuff you gotta move your feet to the beat, okay? They also have the cookies for Santa saucers. Really, really cute. I seen this before. I seen these last time. And look at these glasses. I absolutely love these. These champagne glasses, absolutely cute. Really, really cute. I like this. And then they also have these trays over here. Okay, really, really cute. $1.25. And then I think this is the last one. This is the last tray pretty much. $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the 5-minute whitening, tooth whitening system. Okay, that is $1.25. Now, I had spoke about these Guru Nada toothbrushes that folds. Honey, I'm telling you, these things are so good. I absolutely love these. Not only are they good for us like brushing wise, but also good for as folding, and they great for traveling. $1.25. All right, so these booster pods, I absolutely like these. I had used these Thursday when I did laundry. They are so good, and they are $1.25, and you get 10 of these. Still deal like Holyfield. And if you guys have not been using these, the Downy Unstoppables and Wash Scent Booster, child, let me tell you, these are so good. Especially, you know, if you single and stuff like that, honey, come on down to Dollar Tree and get your detergent and stuff like that, okay? All right, because this is so good. These smell amazing. $1.25. Oh, you thought I wasn't coming today? You thought I wasn't coming out today? The devil's a lie, okay? Look. You ready? So, Dollar Tree got some new items, okay? Now, I don't record seeing this, all right? Now, if you seen this, child, just close your eyes. All right, family, so we gonna go on right ahead and go to another Dollar Tree location. So I'll see you guys once we get there. Listen, okay. This is the reason I like coming to different Dollar Trees, okay? Because they be having the steal deals like Holyfield, okay? Different items, different things, okay? And I like newness, okay? I don't know about the next person, but honey, we like newness over here. All right, let me fix my sweater so you can really understand what I'm saying. Now, I'm going to show you good folks these amazing items, and you let me know, you know, if this is still deal like Holyfield, do these items make you move your feet to the beat? And when I say move your feet to the beat, are they making you move your feet to get to the Dollar Tree? Okay, check this out. Okay, listen, child, you ready for some new items? Okay, I'm going to give it to you on a beat so you can move your feet. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, child, still deals like Holyfield. Check this out. Okay, so Dollar Tree has this glowing face shoe moisturizer by Global Beauty, and this is Fruit Halo. Okay, hydrate and boost radiance. All right, this is $1.25. Let's see what else they have. This item is so cute. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Absolutely love it. Check this out. What it do, boo? What's up? Okay, so honey, let me tell you something. When you visualize what you want for your life, child, you be on a whole another level. Okay, people don't understand it. All right, but I know you guys understand it, don't you? Don't you understand that? All right, so today we are at the Dollar Tree in Fairview, okay? We're going to see, you know, if this Dollar Tree, now normally, you know, I like going to all of them, okay? You know, but yesterday, Dollar Tree, it just took it to a whole new level, okay? Maplewood, okay? Maplewood. Honey, I'll be back because you guys, you was rocking yesterday, okay? Now, let's go into this Dollar Tree, see what they have, if they're going to have us move our feet to the beat. Still deals like Holyfield. All right, let's see. All right, Fairview, come on now. Come on, Halloween is over, boo. Okay, Halloween is over. But 1 second, though. Okay, they have the solar stake lights, the reindeer, and a Santa. All right, still deal like Holyfield. What you think? This is cute. Whoever, you know, called themselves decorating. Okay, child. This is cute. Now listen, Dollar Tree ain't playing. You know, they got rid of the Halloween stuff. Well, not the one that when you walk in the door, but they got rid of all the Halloween decor that was over here. They just got, you know, Christmas stuff now. All right. They also have this light up LED necklace. This is cute. I like that. All right. They got their Christmas bag. Ooh, child. Okay. All right, Miss Claus Bakery, North Pole's finest. I know that's right, boo. Okay. Really, really cute. And these are pretty much the bags. Ooh, this bag is, honey, how you guys feel about this bag? Is that a still deal like Holyfield? To me, it's a still deal like Holyfield. It has me moving my feet to the beat. All right, let me tell you something. This Dollar Tree, they have so many different doorknob hangers, okay? Different ones. Honey, you choose whichever one you prefer, all right? This is movie groovy. Really cute. They also have the different decorative bowls. Ooh, child. You talk about fancy. Okay. All right. Ooh, child. Okay, now. All right. This is, ooh, child. I know they lying. Okay, this is so cute. And then they also have the silver one behind here. Oh, and then they have a gold one. You better get into it and do it. Move your feet to the beat. Okay, this is really, really cute. Now, we've seen these items already. This is, you know, this is kind of old news, okay? But Dollar Tree, honey, you doing it for me. Now, when I come to this Dollar Tree, if you are a person that's looking for, you know, like the poinsettias and stuff like that, honey, they have a whole half of an aisle, okay, of different flowers, different poinsettias, and of course these are artificial. I just gotta put that in here. All right, they have so many different ones. Absolutely gorgeous. Move your feet to the beat. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I didn't know Dollar Tree had sold these, the 32 multi-pack round dollies, I think, dillies, okay, and this is pretty much, I guess, I want to say, placemats, and these are $1.25. Really, really cute. Let me see, 32, but child, it don't look like it's no 32 up in here. Oh, okay. Now I see it, because I was about to say, child, come on, Dollar Tree. It don't look like it's 32. It look like it's about 3 or 4, but it is 32 up underneath it, and it has 4 different sizes, okay. Really good. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the stockings over here. They have a variety of options that you can choose from. Really, really cute. My favorite would definitely have to be this. You know, I like when it's, you know, the shiny things and stuff like that. That's cute. All right, really, really good. And look at the cat and the little dog. Really cute. Absolutely love it. Now, Dollar Tree also have these chair pads, which are $1.25. This is so, so cute. Okay, honey, you want to make sure where you sitting is nice and cushiony, okay? All right, no hard chair. Really, really cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have these cups right here. And where else did I see these? I seen these somewhere else, but I like these, especially that turquoise one that Dollar Tree has as well. And I believe these, oh yeah, these are, I thought these was $5. Okay, these are $3. Still deal, like Holyfield. Okay, I had seen this before, but maybe you haven't. So this 4-grip plastic rotating hook, this is really, really good. $1.25, and you get 2 pieces. You can put all types of things on here. Umbrellas, your sweaters, a coat, okay, keys, all types of things that you normally would hang up. You can hang it up on here. Really, really good. Still do. Okay, so we had seen these last time. Okay, the Tay Squads. I think these are so, so cute, especially to put in the stockings. Okay, for Christmas, these are absolutely beautiful. They come in different designs, over the moon, blueberry blast. Okay, they also have this one, sweet flavored lip balm, passion fruit and punch. My favorite is definitely this one, the candy bar crunch. Absolutely love it. And this is so, so fun. Okay, mocha latte lip balm, mocha latte, absolutely love this. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also have these 4-piece mini sponges, okay, for $1.25. I think that's a steal deal like Holyfield. Okay, so this Dollar Tree location in Fairview, honey, they always have so many different facials, okay, like masks and stuff like that. But this mask is my first time seeing actually this mask, okay? I think this is new. I'm gonna let you guys check it out. Okay, so this berry extract, okay, so this is a 3-step facial kit, refresh and cleanse skin of oil and impurities, rich and hydrating serum, leave skin feeling soft, okay, and if you ever was to come here, when I tell you they have so many masks galore, okay, so many different masks that you can choose from when it comes to foot mask, lip mask, okay, neck mask, okay, all types of masks, honey, you name it, they got it. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm seeing this Softy, this Coconut Paradise Daily Moisture Hair, Body, and Scalp Oil, Natural Oils, and Botanica Extracts Formula. Normally, I see like the coconut oil, the cast iron oil, but this is the first time I'm seeing this. Let me know if you guys have used this, and if so, how did it do for your hair? But honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree ain't playing with you folks, look at this. They even have the Softy Indian hemp, okay? All right, honey. Also, the Oregon oil, the mango butter daily hair dressing. I showed you some of this the other day when I was at a previous Dollar Tree, for the ones that had probably seen that video. If you're not, honey, if you have not, make sure you're catching yourself up, okay? They also have coconut oil, hair and scalp, honey. I'm thinking I'm in a beauty parlor. Well, the beauty supply store, okay? Because, honey, Dollar Tree ain't playing. When I tell you this is your one-stop shop, okay, they have everything. They ain't playing with you folks. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these like little star decor things right here. I don't know what candle holders. Child, this is so cute. Okay, look at this gold. Oh my goodness. And then they have the Merry Christmas one, the Santa, really, really cute. They also have, well, honey, that's a gnome. I said Santa. Honey, forgive me, okay? Then they have more Santas, really, really cute, still deal like Holyfield. And you guys have seen these, right? The flickering LED candle lights. This is so, so cute. Indoor use, $5, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. Still deal like Holyfield. All right, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, okay? And let me know what was your favorite item, okay? Mine was definitely those candle holders. Those were a steal deal like Holyfield. So, so cute. And I catch you good folks, good looking folks on the next one, okay? All right, ciao. All right, peace.